Trader Zelman here. It's August 5th, 2018, Sunday morning. I am reporting on ticker symbol FUSZ. Have been reporting on her the last couple of days. Just keeping my update and my views on her. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. You can visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So FUSZ still battling the 50 cents mark. As you can see, it's still support. We'll see. It's yet to be determined that 50 cents is true support. Remember, give yourself a little stop loss room if you do have your stops. A couple of pennies below the 50 cents mark. Let's see what happens moving forward. This looks like the support. I said it time and again. We just want to see her bounce up. Remember, when she breaks through the 77, 78 mark, you can see $1 plus. But our first concern is to fill this gap. Actually, close this gap. We don't want it filled, right? Filling the gap is going to the gap and then maybe staying at there, but it not fully closed. We want it to go above the gap and close. That's a stronger indication that a bottom has occurred for ticker symbol FUSZ. Once again, this is Zelman. Follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, or visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses.